Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your language for your Garmin DriveSmart 55. So in order to do that, you will need to go to settings, scroll down a bit, language and keyboard, and from here you need to change the text language to whatever language you want. So for example here, let me change it to Polish, and then we'll change it back to English. So now it's in Polish, as you can see, and let's change it back to English. And now it's in English. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.